can't believe I'm back here. This place has been in my family for years. It needs more work than I remember. But I didn't just come back for the farm. The town needs a fishing production. And if I play this right, I might be able to save this place. Well, time to see what's left. Didn't think this thing would still be here. I remember when Granddad bought this thing. Well, at least it's a start. Well, she starts. Looks like they upgraded the cedar. Well, at least this will help. Doesn't look like the field's been touched in years. The old Massey. Well, let's see if she still runs. There we go. Well. Doesn't look like we got a lot of equipment to start with. But it's up to me to save the farm. And hopefully start a fish production. Okay, so... Oh! We got an old plow back here too. Okay. So, well, let's move the truck. Okay. Well, we got about 25 grand in the bank. That is not going to be enough to save this, but I'm not seeing really any seeds or fertilizers. So I think the first thing is a trip into town, pick up some seed and fertilizer. So might as well make sure we get all this stuff ready. See what we can do. Maybe we can do some contracts in the meantime, because we're definitely going to need some more money. So let's get down to the store, get some seed and fertilizer, see what we can do. Maybe clean up the yard a bit. Next month we can start planting and trying to save the farm. Okay, well, we are very overloaded, but this is the start of the farm. So let's get back. Okay, well, we're back at the farm. Get this unloaded. Start planting. We're gonna need to, well, we'll get this unloaded and maybe we'll start doing some contracts. Okay, let's see what contracts are available today. Here we go, spraying. Okay. For field 5. Okay. Let's go to the store, let's pick up the equipment, and go do some spraying. We got to make up some of this money. Okay, well, we're ready to go. Let's get out there and let's see where we got to go. Field 5. So where is field? Oh, basically right across the street. That makes it easy. Okay. Let's get her done. $9,379 after everything is said and done. Okay, what else do we got to go on? We have baling, we got deadwood, we got rock removal and wood transport. Well, let's do a baling one. Okay, here we go. Okay. What field do we got to go to? 23. Not far again. Getting pretty lucky here. First time actually in one of these, so.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart starts beating when my headlights shine.
Spent $12,000 today on seed and fertilizer. Made a little over $13,000 with contracts. Not exactly getting rich. Contracts are done for the month, which means we wait. Next month, we push harder. More contracts, stack some cash, and then we start moving forward. The farm's not fixed yet, but it's not dead either. Next month, we're going to plant soybeans. Low cost, solid return. Something stable. All right, before we spend any more money, I need a plan. We got a little over $26,000. That's not a lot when you start pricing out the cost and equipment of everything. The ground hasn't produced in a long time, but it can. Soybeans make sense. Low cost, clean crop, no extras, just straight return. I don't want to rely on just one harvest. That's how farms fail. So we're going to add some greenhouses. Something steady, something that works while the crops are growing. And this isn't even the long game. Fish production. That's where the town needs help. But we don't rush into it. First, we stabilize. We invest smart, we don't overspend, and we build this place the right way. Okay, so we can't plant soybeans till next month. So let's clean up the yard a bit and make it look nice here. Oh, there we go. A little bit cleaner around here. Now we got to find a spot to put a greenhouse, because we're definitely going to need something making us money.
Chasing the horizon all on my own. Sunset fire lights the sky. Tires screech, I'm flying high. Speeding through the night on the slide. Freedom sparkles in my eye. I ride the roads, no path to follow. Where I'm headed but ain't feeling hollow. Heartbeat shake like heavy thunder.
Well, after many trips, we finally got it seeded. Now we just wait. So I think in the meantime what we'll do is we will go and see what greenhouses do since we haven't really had a chance to look. Oh, they have produced a lot, so maybe we go sell them and make some money and then do some contracts, and I think at that point we should be in a little bit better of a position.
Where I'm headed but ain't feeling hollow. Heartbeat shake like heavy thunder. Life's a wild ride, I just wonder. Broken lines blur as I pass. Moments flash in a pool of glass.
$9,600. Ooh, that's some good money. Okay, if we keep this up, we're doing good.
Journey's here until it's gone.
Let's see what the contracts are like. Can we make any contracts? Oh. Here we go. Let's go do another contract. Hopefully we can make enough money to buy another greenhouse. Those produce a lot. We can get one more greenhouse. We're gonna be golden. Okay, meet you guys back at the store. Okay, let's go to field 25. Nice and close. And what are we doing on this field again? With carrots. Okay, so we got carrots loaded. Head out.
Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me.
Oh, was it late? That took a long time. That took almost all day to get done. But with our greenhouse and our soybean growing, I think we should be good for a bit. But I need some sleep. Ah, beautiful May morning. Okay, let's go check the greenhouses, because they seem to produce quite a bit for us. So it looks like we got a couple of pallets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pallets. So we can take those down and sell them. I think it's almost time that we start upgrading to a trailer, maybe, to start packing them, but let's see what we get first here.
She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes.
8,000. Okay. All right. Soybeans are in the ground. Contracts are done for the month. And the greenhouses are making between 8 to 9,000 a month. This changes things a little. This farm isn't bleeding anymore. It's building. This is step 1. Stabilize the land. Create steady income. Then we move towards fish production. Still a long way to go. One bad harvest, one breakdown, and we're tight again. For the first time in a long time, this place has a future. We'll see what happens next month.